Assalamu alaikum. I am Tanzila Khanam and this is Psychology Basics Intermediate Lectures of Psychology. Today we will discover the last chapter with reference to the developmental psychology, that is the sensory and perceptual development. Senses play a very important role in getting knowledge about the world. Sensation is an input about the environment. And an individual gets this input through his sense organs and sensory receptors. Whereas perception includes the organization and interpretation of those information. For example, you hear a sound. This is a sensation that you catch from the environment through your ears. But what is that sound? Whether it is an animal sound or it is a fan sound, this interpretation is called perception. Almost all of the sense organs are developed before birth. The question is whether they work in that prenatal period or start working after birth. Sense organs are developed. But the question is whether they work in that time or work after birth. In other words, the child is not exposed to external stimuli of the environment in the prenatal period, but immediately after birth, he has to experience them. He shows sensitivity to many types of stimuli. After 6 to 8 weeks of pregnancy, he may react to tactile stimuli. From 13th to 14th week, the whole body except the top and back of the head becomes sensitive. Only the top and back of head is insensitive, all other body is sensitive. The top and back of the head develop sensitivity after birth. At birth, the face is more sensitive to touch and pressure. In comparison with the whole of the body. He feels touch and pressure more on face than on any other part of the body. Now we will talk about all senses one by one. Sense of temperature. This sensation is present before birth. It is proved by the fact that even premature babies to resist to drink milk that does not have proper temperature. So this is present at birth, present before birth. Sense of pain. It is weak in early days after birth and takes some time to develop fully. Then comes the sense of taste and smell. Sense of taste is fully developed at birth. Newborn babies usually like sweet or salty taste, but they do not suck sour or bitter things. This sense is developed sometimes before birth because premature babies too react to this sense of taste. Sense of smell is also present in newborn babies. Changes in responsiveness and respiratory rates of babies have been observed in reaction to different smells. Researchers shows that newborn babies can differentiate between different types of smell. They can feel the difference between different types of smell, like acetic acid, phenyl, ethyl alcohol, and phenol. In the same way, adults show obvious differences in pleasant and unpleasant odors. Then comes the auditory sense. It is completed at birth. Newborn babies can distinguish between pure and mixed sounds and can understand the loud and low, low sounds. They feel calmer on hearing soft and melodious sounds. Different lullabies are example of this fact. Concentration on sound start a short time after birth. Sense of being. Visual sensation takes place when photoreceptors in retina organize and interpret the visual stimuli. This sensation is then sent to brain through optic nerve. The retina in newborn babies is not fully formed. So retina of in newborn babies is not fully formed. So it is assumed that they cannot see properly. However, experiments have shown that young babies can differentiate between pattern and they show the perception of depth. Depth. Then comes the perception of color and pattern that is also related to sense of vision. The ability of visual perception is present at birth. Evidence shows that infants look at black and white patterns for long time as compared to plain surface. Black and white pattern grab their attention more. In another research, Herschel found that children preferred shapes with 10 turns over shapes with 5 or 20 turns. So, Herschel was the researcher who proved that children preferred shapes with 10 turns. As compared to shapes with 5 or 20 turns. In another research study, Belston found that at birth, baby's eyes can only follow moving objects. The objects that are moving in the environment, they grab the attention of the baby. It is still unknown whether the children's perception of color is same as adults or it is different. Moreover, it is unclear too that at what age the children develop the color vision for the first time. These areas still need further investigation. Now we talk about perception of depth. The ability to see objects in 3 dimensions, that is size, depth and distance. It is called the perception of depth. Distance is also involved in this perception. It is generally believed that the ability to perceive height and width of a plank is present at birth, whereas children learn perception of depth through their experiences. So, height and weight recognition is present at birth. And perception of depth is learned through experiences. A research study has shown that 1 to 2-week-old babies see objects present in visual field better than pictures of those objects. This difference between the objects and their images show depth perception. A recent study found that children do not distinguish between objects and images. So some of these areas are still under research. So this was how the sensation and perception develop in the children. Hope you found it helpful. If so, please like and share the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.